What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Exhausted Bros, and in this video we are going to be detailing my 2019 Rav 4.
That's right. So we have Keegan's Rav 4 in for a detail. I've been doing detailing for the past year or so. I'm by no means an expert, but we wanted to show you guys how to detail the interior of your car. So that's what we're going to do today. So when I first started, I was using Green Star to detail all interior plastics, but as you guys know, this is very highly concentrated. It's an APC. Shouldn't be used all the time. The other one I use is Sudslab Into Interior Cleaner. This one is great for leather especially. Another simple one, gotta have spray away. That's for glass. And then this is a new one from Sudslab. This is the D3. I don't know if that'll focus. This is just an interior detailer. What this is basically UV protection. Anti-static property, just makes the inside of the car look new. This is the rigid portable bag. This is the 4.5 gallon one. It's got a bunch of attachments. This is the car detailing attachment package on it as well. And again, I use Scrub Ninjas, brushes.
Is that pretty much everything?
That's pretty much it.
All right, well, that's everything you kind of need to know about detailing the inside of your car. And let's get started.
Yep, let's do it.
All right.
I'm not so perfect, baby, are you there? I'm not so perfect, baby, are you there? Come right here, come right. I'm not so perfect, baby, are you there? I'm not so perfect, baby, are you there? Come right here, come right. I'm not so perfect, baby, are you there? I'm not so perfect, baby, are you there? Come right here, come right. I'm not so perfect, baby, are you there?
Well guys, I hope you found this video to be as satisfying as I did. So unfortunately Addison had to take an exam right after he was done, so I'm shooting this the day after. Let me tell you my first impressions of his interior cleaning job. I am blown away. It's almost as if I picked this car up brand new at the dealership yesterday. He did that fantastic of a job. If you guys like this type of video, give us a comment in the comment section, or if you guys have any other things you want to see, please feel free to put them in the comment section below. If you like this video, give us a like and a subscribe. And as always, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching and all the support that you give us. It really means a lot. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.